Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today I am sharing how I make my tofu scramble. So first I'm going to crumble up a drained block of firm tofu into my skillet over medium heat, just crumbling that up with my fingers. And then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, paprika, dried dill, and turmeric, as well as 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and 2 tablespoons of soy milk. Then I will stir that all together and use the back of my spoon to crush any pieces that are still larger than I'd like them to be. And we'll just let that cook down, stirring occasionally. And then once all of the excess liquid has evaporated and the tofu scramble turns a brighter yellow color, it is ready to serve. So one of the ways that I like to eat this is on a toasted burger bun with some homemade vegan butter. I'll link the recipes for both of those down below. This is also great with other breakfast foods or in things like breakfast burritos or fried rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.